Sue isn't around as far as I can tell, so let's get to our rescue operations here. I'll open the door for you, Tater Tots. Come on out. Yes! Yes! There you go.
Sammy, what are you doing? Tater Tots might escape.
Susie, let me tell you something. First of all, the cage got rusty. And second of all, this space is just too tight for Tater Tots now, so she shouldn't really stay in this cage any longer.
Don't you worry, Sammy. It's all under control.
What do you mean it's under control? She's suffering!
Sammy, relax now, would you? I took care of it already. Come, I'll show you.
I wonder what you have in store for me, Sue. Hey, wait! Hey, Sue! Sue! What have you prepared here? Wow! Holy cannoli, it's a new home for our Tater Tots! Yay! It's huge! I mean, look at it! Look at it! I love it! Oh! There's a running wheel in here! Oh!
So, Sammy, what do you say?
Awesome! But I don't see any instructions.
We don't need them. It's all very simple.
I don't think we could have assembled our hamster house without the instructions. Guys, if you remember that video, give a thumbs up. What was I talking about? All right, I'll be right back.
I wonder what Sam has in mind. Okay, now let's see what we've got here. We'll put the ladder aside for now. We'll start with the house itself. I think it needs to be secured here, where these 4 holes are. Let's put it in place. Now let's secure our house roof. And just like that, in one easy move, our house is ready.
The instructions are ready for you, Sue.
Huh, unexpected.
Now we'll assemble this cage easily, just like that.
Huh, interesting. What have we got here? Oh, well, this chart is detailed, but will it really work?
Of course it will. I'm gonna show you right now.
Sammy, a rake?
I need it. There we go.
What could you possibly need a paint roller for?
We'll paint it pink. Although that's a crazy idea. Hey, what's that? What? You've assembled the house already without the instructions?
I told you, though, it's going to be really easy.
So I didn't really have to draw that chart?
Oh. Now we'll secure our base with the house over here. One last touch. Oh, I really love it. It's nice. Very much so.
Guys, follow me. It's time for interesting facts.
Sammy, how did you get in there?
Just a sec, Sue. So our charming Tater Tots is an albino, and albinos can't stay out in the light for too long. So this house will make a perfect shelter. Give a thumbs up if you didn't know it, and we'll keep assembling our house.
Let's put the wheel on this hub here, like this.
Sue, I want to have a wheel like this myself.
Sammy, it's for Tater Tots.
Then hurry up and find a house for me too, and make sure there's a wheel.
Sammy, you're kind of whimsy today. What's wrong?
I'm just kidding, Susie.
You little jokey guy. For the next phase, I'll need a base like that and rat litter. Let's pour it in carefully, covering the entire cage floor. Almost done. Here we go. And now let's put the cage on the base like this. Ready! Just look at this cage.
Can we let Tater Tots in now?
Almost, but first we need to put the ladder in place.
I'll go get it. Here.
Thank you. Let's put the ladder here. The hooks will slide into these holes.
Susie, it's time to secure the cage.
Right, let's secure it here. And on this side too. Ready?
Sue, you put food here and I'll go call Tater Tots.
Great idea. Da-da-da-da. Let's cut it here. Yep, like this. There we go. Now let's open it. Uh-huh. And here's the food. Woo! Tater Tots, you're here too early. Come over here for now.
I'm sorry, Sue. She escaped from me.
We'll put the food here. Now let's secure the base for the bottle with water. Here comes the bottle itself. Ah, good. Look, our cage is all ready now. Isn't it beautiful? And it's got everything Tater Tots needs in it. I'm so excited. Are you? I hope she's going to like it. Oh, I can't wait. Such a cozy home. Cozy and comfy.
Well, there's food, there's water. Let's invite Tater Tots in. Hey. Hey. Oh, Tater Tots, here's your home. Where are you going?
Sammy, she escaped from you yet again. Okay, now, Tater Tots. Here you go. Welcome. It's yours. Yes, that's right. Look all around. Go up the ladder and check out the second floor. You're so cute. Well, do you like it? Do you like your new home? Oh, look, she found the wheel. Maybe later. Well, Tater Tots, how cool is this?
Susie, I found some corn.
Oh, let's feed her.
Yay, let's do it.
Tater Tots, look what we've got for you. I think she's enjoying it, wouldn't you say so?
Yep, it was a good idea. I'm glad she likes it.
Yes, Tater Tots, take a sip of water. Awesome! Well, as far as I can tell, Tater Tots likes her new home.
I think so too. What do you think, guys? Comment and let us know. See you next time.
And if you liked today's video, give a thumbs up. Bye now!